Alright ninjas, right now it's time to unbox this special box of a project that I worked on with this company. So I worked on a manga project and now we're gonna unbox the physical results of this project, like always in the TikTok videos. Okay, let's really unbox it. Thank you Argonia for working together. And now let's see the final results. There we go. The manga project that I worked on. Oh. Yeah, lots of wrappers. Oh shit, they gave so much. All right, so it's quite heavy. I did not expect it to be this heavy, but they gave quite a lot of it. So I expected like a few, like maybe 10 or something, but it seems like there's a whole stack of it. You see this? Okay. Okay, that's cool, that's cool. Yo, let's go, let's go. Okay, let's grab the first one. Oh no, wait, they're stuck together. Okay, here they are, here they are. Curly Skullhead, the main character of my manga Party Time. This is quite a bit, a lot of them. For those who want a manga copy of Party Time, the one-shot, you can now also get a bookmark with it. So thanks to Argonia, worked together for the month December 2025 to make this bookmark possible. I'm really happy that they gave the big stack. Okay, let's actually get one out of here. Yeah, I think it came out well. And also I made the chuckle for this month. Originally I was supposed to make, like, I had some red borders and some other versions of this. But in the end, this was the better version with a white background. Because I was like thinking, what's the best way to make the character stand out? Like, too much background make him not stand out much, I think. So yeah, I chose this pose. I thought like, okay, maybe more characters for this bookmark or something else. Like I tried some other things, but I guess the best way is just this. It's just easy and simple. And I thought the pose was cool as well, a bit more dynamic for this character. And I also added the It's Party Time speech bubble, so that it actually is like manga, you know. So this is technically a manga panel. You could see it as a manga panel because the speech bubble. So you're literally holding a panel here in your hand. So that could, because of the speech bubble, right? I think it's really cool. Month December 2025, and also here's the background. So the month chuckle that I thought up was, what do you call a December party for ninja fans? Silent Night! But yeah, check out Argonia. Thank you for the collaboration. Really awesome. And yeah, I was happy that this was possible. Alright ninjas, if you want to have this bookmarker as well, you can now order something at argonia.com. And if you order in the month of December 2025, you will get this bookmarker with your order. They have many merch at their website, from manga, anime, comics, board games, and many other things. Sometimes they also have some sales and promos. They have many things, from prize figures, Nandroids, Figma figures, Transformers, figure arts, action figures, also some TCG stuff and some Marvel. So there's many choices on this website if you're a manga fan, anime fan, comic fan, Marvel, DC, and any of that kind of stuff. So check out argonia.com if you want to also get your bookmark that I created. Feel free to check it out. So right now, if you want a copy of Party Time the One Shot, it's right now available. And also you will get a bookmark with it as long as they're in stock. What are you waiting for? Get your copy now and get this bookmark. And also don't forget to check out Argonia on their website. Links in the description. And yeah, it was awesome. Yes. Alright ninjas, thank you for joining once again. NINJABOX ishhh, and see you ninjas the next time. Ninjakees out. Ninjakees. Thanks for joining once again, NINJABOX ishhh, and see you ninjas the next time. Ninjakees out.